This is Crane Tree Lab, and
I'm Volkan Yetilmezer. Crane Tree Lab payload capacity 4.5 kilograms and comes with a rigid foam carrying case. You can open the case from the lock on the right and left side. Standard package includes Crane Tree Lab, mini tripod, quick release plate, cable case and cables, 3 batteries and chargers. If you get a creator or master pack, you can place many of accessories in this bag. Follow focus, max and light, and you can place all accessories of these 2 motors, phone holder and quick setup kit in the space above. There are all cables you need in the cable bag. There are 3 3.6 volt batteries in the package. Let me give you a little info. These batteries differ in voltage from the Crane 2 batteries. Therefore, Crane 2 batteries don't work in Crane 3 Lab. You can charge these batteries with a micro USB cable and a suitable charging socket. Remove the battery cover located on the body after unlocking. In the battery compartment, in the set which batteries is inserted with icons. First, place the right side after the left side. After inserting the batteries, close the cover and push the lock to left. Use the on-off button on the left to open the Crane 3 Lab. Crane 3 Lab roll engine is designed at 45 degrees. In this way, you can see the camera screen comfortably. At the bottom of the plate is the camera image transfer and control module. With the 8 volt output on the right, you can connect the Canon DR6A wired battery. On the side of the module is the mini HDMI input and the camera control input. In the front, there are 2 Type-C inputs to connect follow focus and zoom motors separately. On the right side button is Wi-Fi switch on-off button. When you hold down this key, the Wi-Fi turns off or on. One of the newest features of the Crane 3 Lab is new retention. In this way, you can shoot more easily at the low shooting angles. You can see the zoom buttons on the front of the second handle. Below this button is the adjustment bell. On the left side of this lever, the following mode button, POV and vortex mode button, and the angle reset button are located. There is a control center at the front of the arm. You can see all the settings on the OLED screen. TV, AV and ISO settings button, Go mode button and record button are in this section. The adjustment bell and the 4-way button are also included in this section. Live view button, confirmation and back button, shutter button and menu button are also included here. At the bottom there is a joystick for manual angles movements. On the left you can see the big focus valve. On the left side there are 2 1/4 inch screws input. Here you can connect the phone holder or another accessory. On the front there are locking and pan following mode buttons. At the top there is a USB Type-A port so you can charge it while using your phone. The plate has a 2-piece structure. You can remove the large part. Inside the package, the lens comes mounted on the lens support. You can also remove the lens support. Crane 3 Lab features 3 red fixing latches for easy adjustment to the balance. These latches are used to lock the pan, tilt and roll angles. This allows you can easily adjust the balance. Crane 3 Lab is capable of updating via Zhiyun Play app to make the update easier. There is one OLED display on the Crane 3 Lab handle. If you don't connect your camera with a cable, you will see the mode and batteries level on the screen. If you connect with the cable, you can see the connect status, camera mode, gimbal mode, battery level, and camera parameters. After you have connected your camera with the cable, you can switch the AV, TV, and the ISO with the adjustment valve on the front. Crane 3 Lab has 5 modes: pan following mode, POV mode, vortex mode, locking mode, and pan following mode again. Throughout the Zhiyun app, you can check all settings related to the Crane 3 Lab and transfer images. To do this, make a connection between your camera and Crane 3 Lab after connecting with a capable cable and a capable HDMI cable. When you transfer images, the phone display will appear as well. With 4 directions on the screen, you can move the camera in the desired direction in L mode. You can roll the right and left roll with a bar at the bottom right. You can reset angle by pressing the target icon. If focus and zoom motors are connected, you can make focus or zoom over the phone. Crane 3 Lab has 3 different sales packages: Standard, Creator and Master Pack. In the Standard package, there are almost everything you can useful for shooting. If you want shooting more professionally and creatively, you can buy the other sales package or accessory package. The Creator package includes 2 quick setup kits, 1 focus, 1 zoom motor, light and max, 1 quick release base kit, 1 multifunction camera belt, 1 phone holder, and a large telescopic monopod. If you buy a master package, there is a special Zhiyun backpack to all these accessories. There is also a telephone holder to make easier to connect the Creator Lab over the phone. You can attach this holder to the rear or front. You can also charge your phone with the USB port on the front. When you buy Creator or Master package, you get one focus and one zoom motor. Use the front well to focus. You can zoom in by using the zoom switch located on the handle. You can also make focus and zoom control via the app, but you must connect data cable and HDMI cable. The renewed telescope monopod is designed to carry much heavier loads. There is 1/4-inch screw in the upper part. You can change the direction if you wish, or if you want, you can put a round plug in the bottom instead of 3 feet. To make easy to install Creator Lab, insert one of the quick setup kit from the Creator or Master package into the end of the monopod and the other in the small monopod. This will make it very easy to move the Creator Lab from a small monopod to large monopod. With this monopod you can shoot at high angle and you can shoot back and forth. With the quick release base plate, you can place your camera firmly on your back. After removing it from the Creator Lab, you can connect the same part with the multifunctional camera belt from the accessory pack. There are many areas for placing different accessories on the camera belt. There is also a monopod connection screw. In this way, the weight of Creator Lab lumbar support can transfer. Finally, if you buy a master package, you will also have a special designed backpack. The interior of this case is made up of accessories, Creator Lab and your notebook. In the later videos, I'll give you more details about the Creator Lab and I will show you some shooting examples. Today I reviewed Zhiyun Creator Lab. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in next video. Bye.